Good morning and welcome back to the classes. I hope all of you are fine and secure at home from the COVID-19. Strictly follow the rules and regulations given by the government and be safe from the COVID-19. Today we will discuss and study about the greenhouse effect. Meaning, greenhouse effect is so named because the Earth's atmosphere behaves like a greenhouse roof. How the name greenhouse effect got or named? Because the atmosphere of the Earth act or behave like a greenhouse roof. This greenhouse roof lets in the heat energy and then releases the heat slowly. During the daytime, because of the heat from the sun, the surface of the earth will be absorbing heat energy and will become hot. And during the night, there is no heat energy from the sun, then the surface of the earth will be releasing the absorbed heat energy into the space and it will become cold or cool. And because of the presence of normal rate of greenhouse gases, the temperature over the surface of the earth is not decreasing to a condition of frozen state. So, the greenhouse gases are very important for maintaining the temperature over the surface of the earth. But whenever the amount of these gases are increasing, it will trap the releasing of energy into the space, and as a result, the temperature over the surface of the earth will be increasing very high. This process is known as global warming. Global warming is very dangerous for the existence of life on Earth. Many scientists and environmentalists believe that the global warming is due to the presence of excess quantity of greenhouse gases. If there is no greenhouse gases, the Earth would be frozen and it will become a wasteland. The ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun penetrates the thermosphere and is absorbed by the surface of the earth. The heat is absorbed and the energy is radiated back to the space during the night time. Okay, during the daytime, the surface of the earth will become heat or hot, and during the night, the heat energy will be releasing into the space and the surface of the earth will be becoming cool. The earth's atmosphere contains gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. Okay, the atmosphere of the earth is containing different types of gases. What are the gases? They are carbon dioxide. Second one is the methane. Third one is the nitrous oxide. These are the gases which are acting as the greenhouse roof. These gases trap some of the outgoing radiation and thereby warm the surface of the earth. And these gases present over the surface of the earth act something like a greenhouse roof and trap the heat energy to escape into the space during the night time. These gases are known as the greenhouse gases. What are the gases known as the greenhouse gases? First one, carbon dioxide. Second one, methane. Third one, nitrous oxide. These are the main three gases which are known as the greenhouse gases. To maintain the global energy balance, to maintain the energy balance over the surface of the earth. Both the atmosphere and the surface of the earth warm up until the outgoing energy is equal to the incoming energy. Recently, the amount of greenhouse gases are increasing in the atmosphere, and as a result, the temperature over the surface of the earth is increasing to an alarming rate. It is only because of the deliberate activities of human beings. Now let us study about the causes of greenhouse effects. The greenhouse effect is caused when certain gases released in part through human activities. When the activities of human being release some of these gases. What are the gases? First one, carbon dioxide. Second one, methane. Third one, nitrous oxide. When our deliberate activity, when our activities release these gases into the atmosphere, what will happen? It will trap the heat energy over the surface of the earth, and as a result, the temperature over the surface of the earth will be increasing very speedily. Carbon dioxide is the largest contributor of global warming. It holds the largest share among the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are totally man-made greenhouse gases which come from refrigerators and foam. Another important gas that is known as CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons, which is coming out from the refrigerators or fridges as well as from the different types of foams. Then, largest source of methane in the atmosphere are natural wetlands, rice field and livestock. What is livestock? Different varieties of domesticated animals. Okay, different types of domesticated animals are able to release the methane into the atmosphere, as well as the rice field and wetlands also able to release the methane into the atmosphere. Natural gas production. Natural gas production. Biomass burning. What is biomass burning? The burning of plants as well as the grasslands, trees, etc. with life or without life. This process is known as biomass burning. Then termites, different types of small insects which are living under the soil. Then landfills. What is landfills? Places where solid waste are dumped. That is known as the landfills. Then coal mining, etc. are also leading to the release of methane. Then nitrous oxide is released by the oceans and the soils, but human activities like biomass burning and the use of fertilizers. Fertilizers are used by the farmers to increase the production from their agricultural field, etc. will also lead to the releasing of nitrous oxide. According to the report given by Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change, IPCC, it is estimated that 72% of the global warming is contributed by carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide, and that is why these gases are called greenhouse gases. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change predicted a disastrous future for our planet Earth if the releasing of these greenhouse gases are not controlled or not restrained. The future over the surface of the earth will be very dangerous. Okay, that is the end of today's class. Thank you very much for listening to the class. Thank you.